Science topic is related with computer networking unit, and the topic is data communication terminologies. And the first term is channel, second term is bandwidth, and third term is data transfer rate. About channel, you have learned the topic transmission channel or transmission media, in which we have discussed the two kinds of transmission media or transmission channel. One was wired and another was wireless. Wireless is pending. In our next videos or next online classes, we will be seeing what a wireless transmission channel or transmission media is. But in today's video, we will just see what a channel is, what a bandwidth, and what is the data transfer rate. These are some basic terms that in computer networking we always use. So as discussed earlier, that about channel means transmission media or a medium. So if you see, physical medium like cables over which information is exchanged is called channel. Transmission channel may be analog or digital. As the name suggests, analog channels, they are transmit data using analog signals, while digital channels transmit data using digital signals. So if you see, there are also two kinds of electricity connections available. One is AC, another is DC. Analog and digital. Analog means here AC means alternate current and DC means direct current. So in the same way, in transmission channel, our signal also communicate or travels in two kinds of ways. One kind of signal that travels for transmission is analog and another is digital. So in popular network terminology, path over which data is sent or received is called data channel. The path means the medium on which our data is traveling, that is known as data channel or transmission channel. This data channel may be a tangible medium like copper wire cables or broadcast medium like radio waves. We have seen various kind of wires also: Ethernet, twisted pair cable, and optical cable in wire transmission media. So in the same way, in wireless there are different kinds of rays we can use for wireless transmission channel. Some you can see there was a technology Bluetooth. We also use nowadays Bluetooth, and infrared rays or microwaves and radio waves are another example of wireless transmission media. Now the next term is data transfer rate. The speed of data transferred or received over transmission channel means up to which speed your data is being transferred over a transmission channel or in a wire. The speed of the data transferred is known as data transfer rate. It may be measured per unit time. It depends on the time unit. What are you going to measure? If you are going to measure in 1 second or in 1 minute, so depending on that, your speed or data transfer rate becomes the unit for data transfer rate changes according to per second or per minute. But the smallest unit of measurement is bits per second, means in 1 second how many bits are getting transferred. So 1 bps means 1 bit, 0 or 1 of data is transferred in 1 second. Now here are some commonly used data transfer rate. One is 1 bps. Here B is capital, and capital B stands for 1 byte per second, means 8 bits are traveling per second. And next is 1 kbps. K stands for kilobit per second, means and 1 kilobit are equal to 1024 bits. So 1 kbps means 1024 bits are traveling per second. 1 mbps means 1 megabyte, and in 1 megabyte we have 1024 kilobit per second. So next is 1 gbps, 1 gigabit per second. and in 1 gigabit we have 1024 megabits per second. So it means in 1 second you are going to send 1024 megabits. 1 Gbps stands this. So next is bandwidth. Next, bandwidth is data transfer rates that can be supported by a network is called its bandwidth. It is measured in bits per second, means it is just like a measurement of your data transfer rate. Modern day networks provide bandwidth in kbps, mbps and gbps. Some of the factors affecting a network's bandwidth include your bandwidth may vary according to the usage of your network and usage of different kinds of devices in your network, such as number one, network devices used. It means how many network devices have you used in your network. Are you using 2 switches, 3 switches or 4 switches, or how many routers you are using in your network. These are some network devices name. Protocols used means what kind of work you are going to, what kind of communication you are going to do with within your computer network. It also affect your data transfer rate. Next is number of users connected, means how many computers are working and how many users are working on computers. So that also affect your data transfer rate. And another is network overheads like collision errors, etc. So these were 3 terms that was given in your syllabus that we should learn. So if I talk about bandwidth, your bandwidth for your bandwidth measurement units are hertz, hz, kilohertz and megahertz, mhz. So these are some units for bandwidth. So this was all for today's topic. In our next topic we will see transmission media. We have learned already, and in network devices, in our next class or next video, whichever it would be, we will be seeing network devices, various kind of network devices. Till then, thank you, bye.